Hello, welcome for the course of System on Chip Design, an elective in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department at Institute of Technology, Nirma University. This is the first time a newly introduced course is offered as a department elective in BTech undergraduate program in semester 5th. So this particular first lecture will be talking about introduction of the course, the content of the course, and how this particular course will be delivered to you students as a journey to learning in the field of VLSI design. So it will be distributed across 45 lectures. Definitely, as a part of the pedagogy, I'll be telling you people to study a certain topics, definitely where I'll be holding your hands as a self-study. This course is having a lab component also. So in this session, I'll be discussing that what we will be doing as a part of the lab component. So there will be 8 to 10 labs, and definitely as it is a system on chip design, the design component will be there as a part of the lab, where you have to integrate the system for a specific real world application. So what are my expectations? What are your expectations for taking this as an elective? We'll be discussing as a part of this particular session. As part of the NIRMA policy, we'll be discussing about the course design policy, where we'll be looking at the learning outcomes. We'll be looking about the evaluation strategy. We'll be talking about how to get the max out of the course in terms of assignments, assessment. This is the new normal strategy that we need to adopt to learn the max out of this pandemic era that we people are in. So what are the different type of assignments that I'll be expecting from you, so that we make the best use of the software platforms that we have, such as LMS, the Learning Management System, a Moodle, as well as the online teaching learning platforms such as a WebEx. We'll be exploring the features so that the learning takes place in the best possible way. And we people are away, but we can have the feedback, and one-to-one learning can happen through such a wonderful platforms. In this era, the pedagogy mechanisms are also very important. So I normally used to practice one of the active learning techniques, such as think, pair and share. So whatever teaching that I do, I let you to think, talk among your friends, classmates, group members, team members, and share the same thing with others. The learning that you have carried out of your own, under the guidance of myself as well as another Professor Dr. Manish Patel. So we'll be having another learning strategy or pedagogy, and that is the collaborative learning. The course is so vast, the technology is moving at such a fast pace, so we need to definitely do a learning which is collaborative, and we learn together, move together, achieve together will be the philosophy that I'll be following throughout the course. One more thing that I would like to tell you at this start session, that all of you should have one notebook for this particular course. So whatever is discussed during the class, you people will be writing down as a points. Definitely you will be having the video recordings of the lectures, as well as the preamble in terms of the YouTube abstract sessions for each lecture, that will give you a good glimpse of the lecture in fast before you come to the class. So with this, I end this particular abstract session for the lecture 1, where we'll be, once again I am repeating, we'll be talking about the introduction of the course and the course mechanism throughout the semester. Thank you all.